In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix sleep mode issues on Windows 10 and Windows 11. If your computer refuses to go to sleep, wakes up randomly, or turns the screen back on for no clear reason, we'll walk through the most common fixes step by step. Follow along on your own PC and pause the video whenever you need a moment. First, let's check your basic power and sleep settings. On Windows, open the Start menu and go to Settings, then choose System, and then Power and Sleep, or Power. Here, make sure Screen and Sleep are set to reasonable times, like 10 to 15 minutes for the screen and maybe 20 to 30 minutes for sleep, depending on your preference. If they're set to Never, your computer simply will not sleep. So adjust those options and then test by leaving your system idle for a while. Next, we'll look at advanced power settings. In the same window, open Additional Power Settings. Choose your current power plan. Then click Change Plan Settings, and then change Advanced Power Settings. In the dialog that opens, expand the Sleep section. Make sure Sleep After is not set to 0 or Never. And if you see options like Allow Hybrid Sleep or Hibernate After, leave them at their defaults unless you know you've changed them before. Apply your changes and click OK. Now, let's check if any devices are allowed to wake your computer up when they shouldn't. Press the Windows key, type Device Manager, and open it. Expand the sections for your mouse and keyboard and any network adapters. For each one, double-click, go to the Power Management tab, and uncheck Allow this device to wake the computer for anything you don't need to wake the PC, like a network adapter that keeps waking it over Wi-Fi. Keep it enabled for your main keyboard and mouse so you can still wake the system normally. It's also a good idea to see what's currently preventing sleep. Open Command Prompt as administrator and type a command that shows active power requests. If something like a media player, backup tool, or driver is listed, close that app, update it, or adjust its settings so it doesn't keep the system awake. Finally, make sure Windows and your drivers are up to date. Go back to Settings, open Windows Update, and install any pending updates. For display and chipset drivers, use your PC or motherboard manufacturer's support page and install the recommended versions. After these changes, restart your computer and then let it sit idle to test sleep mode. In most cases, these steps resolve the common sleep problems on both Windows 10 and Windows 11.